Vivo isn't just competing for the mid-range market, but now they're taking the fight to the budget segment with the Vivo Y21 that just got launched. This is the brand's attempt to mark itself as a serious player in the upper budget segment. The phone is one of the most affordable offerings in this segment, but does it have what it takes to stand out? From Techweez, I am Richard Okenye with the Vivo Y21 review. Let's take it and go. But first things first, let's start with the unboxing. The Vivo Y21 comes in this white package that contains the phone and its accessories, including an 18-watt power brick, a Type A to Type C charging cable, a pair of earphones, SIM ejector tool, warranty, and Guide Plus a TPU case. Vivo stands out with its unique design. Our unit came in diamond glow version with a texture that is designed to dazzle the world as meticulously cut diamonds do. The rest of the phone is relatively straightforward with well-positioned volume buttons, a USB-C port at the bottom, and a headphone jack. I appreciate the fact that Vivo opted for a power button and a side-mounted fingerprint over an in-display sensor. It's fast and just works. Up front, we have a 6.51-inch Halo LCD display with a resolution of 1600 by 720 pixels. There's also no high refresh rate here. Surprisingly, I quite enjoyed consuming multimedia content thanks to the speakers too. They are loud and most people would be pleased by the output even when gaming. Vivo Y21 runs on Android 11 and FunTouch OS 11.1. FunTouch is Vivo's take on Android, which is now more refined. It is highly customizable and doesn't feel overly busy with handy features. The user interface is cleaner with flatter icons, more empty space between visual elements and neutral colors too. FunTouch OS comes with features like Ultra Grain Mode, S-Capture to make screen capture more efficient, Eye Manager, Security Scan, an AI editor, and the fun nifty animations under dynamic effect, among a host of other features to customize your phone. Navigating Android 11 is smooth and stutter-free in the Y21. Powering the Vivo Y21 is a MediaTek Helio P35 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM, expandable to 1GB, plus the 64GB of onboard storage. The phone held up pretty well with light to medium tasks, and Vivo remained snappy in day-to-day operations. Performance for most users will be perfectly acceptable. Disclaimer, however, the gaming experience takes a toll on the Vivo Y21. Less graphic-intense games will play well, and the heavy games have to be played at medium settings as you will experience the occasional frame drop. You can play Asphalt 9, Ninja Arashi, but titles like Call of Duty needed to be played on medium graphic settings. Vivo has also taken a keen focus on battery longevity. Vivo Y21 ships with a 5000 mAh battery and delivers exactly what it promises. During my time with the Vivo Y21, I could comfortably get through an entire day of use without triggering any battery anxiety. The phone's screen on time hit the high numbers ranging between 9 hours and 12 hours. This phone can easily last 2 days on a single charge. How awesome is that? Charging is also speedy with an 18-watt wired charger included in the box. The Vivo Y21 can be topped up to just short of 70% in only 52 minutes, with a full charge taking about 2 hours. The extra hour is to fill up the remaining 30%. It's time for the cameras. Vivo Y21 comes with 3 cameras, an 8-megapixel selfie camera and a 13-megapixel dual main camera setup, which includes a 2-megapixel macro sensor. I have to say that the Vivo Y21 is a clear-cut competitor on its own. The slender frame, the excellent battery life, the satisfactory performance. Vivo Y21 goes for 16,999 Kenyan shillings at Vivo retail stores and partner eCommerce sites. And now that we've hit our 10,000 subscriber mark, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share videos from Techweez. And that's it from us. We done take it. Now you go.